Hi everyone, welcome back. This is after all the excitement of the giveaway and my rather lot of swearing at Microsoft for their lack of cooperation. I thought, I collected so many images when I did my last Bohemian style book that I've put together another one. I thought I'd just do something simple, something plain, something doesn't require, that you can just go with the flow. It didn't work. It's over the top, and I have had so much fun. It's like, no, stop. There is so much stuff on this book. So, start at the front. It's a hardcover, 6 to the edge there, plus the spine, and 8 3/4. There are about 170 something pages, 180 pages. I will admit, I lost count because I kept adding some and taking some away and all the rest of it. So I called it a book of treasure because I wanted to do something gold. So that's what I've done. But, it's a big but, I haven't actually glued this down because I'm not sure I quite like it on the cover. I didn't know if it should go inside. The book is for sale, so I will put this in and then whoever buys it can decide where they want to put that bit. So we have card, which I've gone over with, I've distressed it, and then I've raided my complete stock of Maya gold, all the little pots of the Maya paint. So we've got champagne underneath and then rose gold, which has come out this wonderful sort of pink colour on the edges. And then we've got some sari silks with a ribbon there. And there's a picture of this young lady. Yep, attitude. I get that. I'm a foster carer. We have teenagers. I know that. And then we have some flowers, which I've painted again in gold. And I've just put beads for the centres of them. And then this very over-the-top beaded trim, which I love. It works. And then I'm not a big fan of spending money if I don't have to, but these little Tim Holtz things were on special offer in my local craft store. So I've had a pack and I thought, yeah, I like that. I like the sound it makes. There's the hitch fastener there. It's got the rib spine and I've just picked them out. I've painted them over Maya gold again, but this time in bronze. And then plain on the back, well, apart from the fastener there, what do they call it? Washers. That's it. And then some ribbon, some more the silk ribbon for a fastener. So, if we go inside, now the actual book cloth that I make, that I stitch my signatures to, I've gone, yeah, again, a bit more Maya gold, but I've done like a harlequin pattern, so if I show you, it runs all the way through. So, first pages, are we in focus? Yep. So these are Dreams, etc. That backing page, lined backing pages, the colours just seem right. So we have tags. These are from a 19th century artist, 1860 something, I think. And I just love them. They just fit with the book. So I've got some in tags, and then I've made little note cards out of the rest of them. Then we have various book pages. And I've used the blue collage kit for this one. And we have what's it? Vellum, printed vellum. Just love the colours. Bright and cheerful. And the centre. And on the back, the printed vellum. A very over-the-top lace belly band. I thought, well, if I'm going for gold, then let's do it all. This is a copy of a love letter, and it was yeah, it's very sweet actually. I won't read it out because it is quite sentimental, but very sweet. And we come to the back of the pages. Tennyson. Now I thought Tennyson actually was pretty much a bit of a bohemian in his time. So I thought he was pretty good to actually, pretty fitting, should I say, to go in that. Now we have got dangles on this. They are only clipped on or pinned on. So if they do become a nuisance, they can be taken off. And some more of the silk ribbon I've used as tabs. So I have this ongoing fascination with Matahari. It is, yeah, Margarita Zeil, I think it is a Dutch lady. She was originally, and then became a First World War spy. A book of Edwardian ladies' flowers, that one. And some more of my... This stuff isn't too fragile. I think this was from the 30s, this book, that music paper. Some more of my sewing book. Jacobean embroidery. Thought that seemed pretty fitting. And the centre. And then we come to the back of the pages. And side tuck. This is actually a letter from Matahari, or a note, a handwritten note, or a copy of it from Matahari, which I thought, yep, I like these. I like things that go together. And there's the lady herself. And another tag. And side tuck. Another little love letters. Some more printed vellum. And we come to some more book pages. That's a horseback. It is actually, I'll show you the back of it in a minute. There we go. Horse and cart. Love the colours in that one. See, what? It's made the page a little heavy, so it's just got a very thin tag in it. This is actually Matahari's passport, or a page of it. Yeah, Margarita. I can't read. She was Dutch, and my language skills are appalling, I'm afraid. Another little dangle. One for the ladies. I thought they looked a proper pair of likely lads, those two. That's a very sweet mum and daughter picture. Another note card. And then some more of the old book paper. Another horse. Travellers in their cart. Only 2 collages on this one, and they are pretty big though. So, big wax paper bag. And then we've got, that will actually stand up when it's not squished. Little flowers and some die cuts and some more of my patang grass. In the centre. And the second of the collages. This one's got moths on this one. I was quite pleased with those, and with both of them, with both of the card, I've done the same as I've done on the front cover, which is champagne gold, and then gone over it with some of the rose gold over the top. And there's the pony in the trap and the cart on the back. Tuck spots, and these are illustrated letters that were sent back 1874, I think it's got on here. Oh, my battery's about to run out, so if the video jumps, that's what it was. I just like the letter. Two more ladies. Another card. And a little side tote. This is a newspaper cutting advertising Miss Matahari. For 20 francs you could go and watch her. Lady, note cards. I used to show horses, and yeah, that's very much what it was like at some of the country shows. Like some travellers, or gypsies as they were called back then. Some more printed vellum. Centre, and the back. And yep, some more of that over-the-top gold lace with another little card tucked in. I don't know what they're called in the States, but over here these are called bow tops. These caravans, the original sort of gypsy wagons. Some more Tennyson things. Another dangle. Had a bit of fun making these, playing with the colours. Some more. That's Matahari, and that's Moroccan lady. Card. And music paper, some more of the Edwardian ladies flower book, and a bit more of the sewing book in this one. Some more embroidery. And centre. And the back of the pages. Now this young lady I haven't stuck down because I couldn't decide where to put it. So I clipped it in and left it up to whoever gets the book to either glue it in or perhaps just leave it clipped in. I get a bit like that. Indecisive, it's called. Another Moroccan lady. And the last signature, so another card. Some more of the printed vellum. Rather over the top corners tuck. Now this is a little notebook I've made. It's only got, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 sides. This is the front of Matahari's passport or travel documents, and that is, I've got a card made up of it over there. Oh, bear with me. Oh, that's it, husband's picked it up. And then it's just a blank inside. Something different. And some more book pages. And this isn't for no other reason than I love the colours. I think the blues and the pinks and the greens all go beautifully with this book. And the centre. Love those kids. Learning their dance. There's another one of those illustrated letters. It was a gentleman, and this is a Paris ballroom. Brilliant line drawings. I wish I could draw like that, I have to say. And the back of the pages. And the last of the dangles. The printed vellum. I love that picture. This fabric was gifted to me from Andrea from Artie Mays, so thank you, Andrea. It goes lovely with this. I've just added some gold trim to it. This is another little card relating to, I think that was when they caught Matahari for spying. And that's the transcript of the court lady and my seal. Moroccan lady, sorry, I should say. So there we go. What started off as very simple turned into a, yeah, let's go for it. If you're going to go for it, go for it. So I will put a link to it will be for sale on my website. I will put a link to the listing underneath. Oh, and the link to the paper, the Christmas paper for the giveaway. I forgot to put it on. I had a couple of comments, so I've sorted all that out, and that is all underneath the video as well now. Nectaria's Creations, Nectaria Creations is the Christmas paper. Right, that's it. Not sure how much I'm going to be able to do. We've already got one young lady here, and it looks like we might be having another. So, blimey, hands full. Anyway, we will see what happens, and if I get a chance, I'll do another one and come back and see you all. So take care. Bye.